right, let's do this, Emily. Go ahead and lift your right leg up in the air. Good. Down. Left. Down. Which side was more difficult?
This one, shockingly.
Right side? Mm-hmm. The lower SI joint. There. Nice and gentle. Take a deep breath in. Good, and out. Good. The hips relax and shoulders.
Oh.
What? Hold on. One more time. Let the hips go. Shoulders. Okay, a little bit. Something was off there.
What?
Hold on, come back to this way again. Try something else. All right, nice and gentle. You gotta let the shoulders come up this way. Let the hip go. Good shoulders.
Oh.
That wasn't crazy loud, but
It wasn't, but there was something in it. I felt it.
it's deep.
I felt it in my soul. It was deep.
Good shoulders relaxing.
Oh! That was better.
Okay, you're back. Okay, turn your head to the right. Back to center. Turn your head to the left. Back to center. Bring your right ear down to your shoulder. Center. Left ear. Center. All right, ready to get your neck cracked?
Yes.
Good. Excellent. We're right here, pushing in that direction, following the breath. Just like that. You're doing great.
Oh my god, dude. This is so scary.
I love it.
Sweaty. Lovely. Ready.
All right, you're doing great. That was awesome for the first side. Second side is the same thing. We just follow the breath.
Oh my gosh, that was so fast. He did it so fast.
Your toes. Good.